Okay, we did a bit of a cheat because Red Betty is wily. This is Betty. We are in the middle of turkey time. Ooh, can you see? Look, okay, look at the little red parts, or the little black stripes on her.
I'm gonna lose control of that chicken.
Here. Turkey. Turkey? It's still turkey. Good girl. Good girl. You're very pretty. You're a very nice red chicken. You can see your tail. She says, I don't want to show you my tail.